So, I bought my second green dial watch in 2 weeks. Let's get at it. Alright, I'm Cohan and I just bought my second green summer watch. Integrated Bracelets is the homage design of 2023 and green is the colour. Personally, I'm not a big fan of integrated bracelets, but I have to give it a fair shot before I release the guillotine. This will be a video similar to the Datejust unboxing and thoughts video. I'll get back to a proper review in a few weeks when I've tested it for more than a few hours. When I first got into watches, I considered $500 to be a lot for a watch, and in some ways it is. But this gives you a lot for your money. Not only is it the best budget alternative to your Datejusts and Aquaterras, it also carries great heritage on its own. The box is like every other Tissot box, nothing special. Cardboard box which eventually will get somewhere and tear. But Tissot are riding the environment wave, which we do respect. The cushion is pretty simple, but I don't really care. This watch is $800. Put the money into your watches, and boy, is it quality. The green on the dial is really subtle. It's pretty much black. I'll take it with me on my holiday and show it off in sunlight. It's going to be exciting. I think it will show a different vibe in daylight than it does in low light hours. The texture on the dial is like you've seen before, the small squares. I'm a bit torn on that design element as I do prefer less cluttered dials. Except the date window, I do love a good date window. The bracelet does, as the 40mm version, include a quick release for easy strap changing, so expect leather straps released pretty soon. The bracelet looks smashing, I've got to admit it. It looks like a premium watch in many ways. It's a head turner on the street. It plays with the light and shines as if you wore a proper luxury watch. A great alternative for festive events where you might be a bit careful using your luxury piece. The bracelet looking good is all well and great, but it wears like a charm as well. Hugs the wrist and makes the watch sit great on top of my 16.5cm wrist. It wears like a 36 to 37mm watch. The timepiece doesn't have a micro-adjusting system and operates with a butterfly clasp. The latter looks good, but sporty fold-over clasps with micro-adjustments are more practical. The watch does include half-links, so you're able to make a snug fit, but it's a bit of a hassle if you like to vary between loose and tight. The Powermatic 80 movement is superb at this price point and offers you a lot for your money. Tissot also went through the trouble of making a display case back and actually putting some makeup on their movement. Another trait I appreciate. I made a Patreon for $4. I hope to gather some support to the channel. I'm not going to push it though, but thanks. Hope you enjoyed, liked and subscribed. Have a nice week, watch fam.